Okay, sticking with this whole idea in section 3.6 that we're just kind of reviewing how to solve multi-step equations. So any type of equation that we've learned how to do is fair game at this point. All you need to do is put all those rules together and practice these skills as they come up. So I'm going to go through and do a couple problems from 3.6b. So if we take a look at number 2, the first thing you'll notice is on this side we've got a negative 6v minus 3v. We can do some simplifying. So it's always a good idea to make sure the sides are simplified before we start trying to solve with two-step equation solving techniques and stuff like that. So if we combine those like terms, we get negative 9v equals negative 9, and that quickly cancel to be 1, so we get 1v, and that cancels to be 1, so there's our answer. And again, you could throw that in, plug it in, and make sure that that's the actual answer. But they go that quickly. The tough part about this is that they're all mixed together. So we did number 1, and I'm going to take a look at number 16. So 1 and 16, we'll do 2 of the problems on this assignment. You'll take a look here, and you'll notice that we've got some distributing to do. So let's go ahead and distribute. Nothing to simplify on this side, so we're done there. Make sure we distribute through correctly. So this is going to be 56, and then that's plus 24x. These are simplified on each side. Now we need to get the variable on one side. So I've got a choice between moving a 4x and a 24. So I'm going to move the 4x because that's smaller. Further to the left on the number line, so we get negative 24 over here. Once those cancel to be 0, 56. This is going to be plus 20x. Notice that positive coefficient like we want. And now it's just a regular old two-step equation, so I'm going to subtract 56. If we combine those, we get negative 80. We've still got that 20x over here, so we're going to divide by 20 to get rid of that. And luckily this goes in evenly. That's going to be a negative 4. And there we go. So if you take a look at some of these get kind of interesting. Just make sure you're going through and you're simplifying each side and then applying your basic equation solving techniques. I do want to take a quick look at number 20 while we're here. I won't solve this, but we'll go ahead and just kind of show a couple of things that would go on here. This side is simplified, so there's nothing we can do there. We're just going to write 17 plus 7n. And then here, as much as you'd like to, again, the order of operations, we do not do this subtraction right here before we do this implied multiplication. So we've got to distribute through, so make sure you're careful there. So we've got negative 4, then this is going to be plus 20n, because a negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 5 is 20, then we've got the n there. Negative 4 times negative 2, that's going to be positive 8. And then you'll notice we still haven't simplified this side completely because of the negative 4 and the positive 8. Those are constants, so we can go ahead and put those together and we get a positive 4. Now you could go through and you could finish solving that. So good luck.